DJM TV.
Nigeria government, Bikonu, I use God to beg you people. It's better we close this embassy here. Because this nonsense embassy has no even simple feeling about Nigerians in Switzerland. You will book an appointment in embassy, call them, register for the passport, pay everything. Calling embassy from day one, embassy, nobody will pick your call. Write email to embassy, embassy will never reply your email. And there is people receiving salary. What type of rubbish office is this? Are we causing that country as a country? People are here receiving salary all the time. They can never pick call. They can never write any message. Can you nonsense country de fa? Can you country about Nigeria? Can you useless country de fa in Kanoa? Abulu no. Somebody will drive from Schaffhausen, 2 hours plus, here, no info. When they were leading up pitch, they were deceiving them. Eh? Never people are in this office, but you'll be calling them, nobody will pick call. Now, America never get on. This motor about the whole one. This useless one about the whole one. Eh? People are here. Can you nonsense country if I'm about Nigeria? You will write email, nobody will reply your email. You call the phone, call phone, nobody will pick the nonsense call. Can you nonsense country about Nigeria? When you drop your Nodeva's ambassador, others your Nodeva no, they receive salary, but they will never do something about their citizens. That lockdown, the corona will kill all of you in this office. Kuno halwa no office corona ya junu ntaninde and do na man free. Unu ncha ya wucha na ya corona. Very useless idiot. Ndala. If I have on Facebook itakuna fia. Very useless people, ndala. Una rubu on embassy. Kite bana la tatu na ya dia. Ndocho. Ne. Esim Schaffhausen yali moto e bia wa no wa. 2 hours plus. There this useless place. Now you're not this nonsense embassy. Nigerian embassy Ben, Switzerland. As workers. Very useless idiots. Colonna Yabu no Chani in another lockdown no. Colonna Yabu, all of you in this place.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.